year. So, na kami ngayon sa Kasi. Supermarket break muna kasi malamig. Ang init, sobrang humid. 33. So yun, Kasi is actually famous for their kalang. It's sandy. So ayun. Dadaan lang daw kami ng Kasi vlog here with my day. Okay, so from Marseille, we're here now at Kasi. Sumakay kami kanina dun sa Marseille St. Charles ng direksyon Hier. So, dito na kami ngayon sa Kasi. And pag daba nyo dito, may mga shuttle kayo pwedeng sakyan papunta ng port. So, yun yung hinahanap namin. So, paglabas nyo lang dito sa GAR, ito na ngayon yung bus, yung mga shuttle papunta ng port. So, 2 euro daw. Pwede kayong bumili na sa driver directly. Yun. Pwede nyo nasakay nyo pabalik ng GAR. Let's go! So mali, 90 cents lang pala. Na 80 cents. Na 90 cents.
Merci.
Bonjour! Bonjour! Merci. Diba? Dito na ako. Cute pang shuttle. Hello. So this is the ticket. Actually, 1 euro 80 cents na pala yung balikan yun sa papunta. Then we're going. It's the mini shuttle. So cute. So the travel is actually around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I have 3 options to go there. You can ride this one. This is the first option. It's the best option. To take the shuttle for 1 euro 80 cents. Return ticket na yun. Papunta yun, pabalik na. And then you can do taxi. And also you can walk for 35 minutes. So this is really the best option. Okay, so andito na kami sa Kasi. Kami ay supermarket break muna kasi malamig. Ang init, sobrang humid. Orange warning today eh. Parang 31 pero feels like 34. So medyo may kainitan. Actually may init today. Yan ang weather today. 33. Water break. Okay, so we're here now at Cassis. This is one of the most beautiful seaside towns here in France. As you can see, ito yung town nila and isang tumbling lang. Ayan na ang port. So ayun. Cassis is actually famous for their calanques or yung kanilang limestone formation. We'll try to look if we can able to check that here. But for now, we're going to check the town first and see what we can find here. Wow, this is just wow. First time kong papunta sa area na to. And I think that is Chateau. Yung nasa top of the hill. Ayun. So ayun, so dito sa harbor, madami ding cafes and restaurants if you wanted to relax and just enjoy the Mediterranean vibe while seeing this beautiful little boats. It's fun, no? And you can rent them if you want. I just don't have any idea on how much, pero yun. Ayan, nakita niyo yung mga boat na yan. So, traditionally, Cassis is a fishing village. And now, it is France's most beautiful destination here in South. And these cafes will definitely give the Mediterranean vibe kung gusto nyo mag-relax. Ganda. So, ayan na sila. Okay, hi! Madami ding mga ganito, yung mga small passage na pwede mong lakadin. Ayan, ang dami nilang mga ganito, yung mga sombrero, bag. And it's cheap. Hindi siya cheap. Well, compare sa Paris, mura na yung mga ganito nilang mga products. Ayun. And yung Cassis actually is also famous din sa kanilang white wine. And yung mga vineyards nila are producing wine for over centuries. So, ayun. So, Cassis, despite the popularity, nakip nila yung small town charm. Kaya, alam mo yan, very homey lang, very chilling, Mediterranean vibe yung feel. So, nandito ko. Sila, nag-chill lang. Okay, so papunta ako sa beachfront. Andun ako kanina. Susunod na sila mama. So, yan. Let's see. Iniisip kong maligo actually eh. Ayan. Hindi ko sure. Cool. So yan yung harbor, andyan yung port kanina kung saan ako naglalakad. And this is the beach front. Unlike Nice, yung yung lupa dito is hindi mabato. It's a little sandy and pebbly. So ayan, let's try and see. See, it's sandy, not like stony, like me. Gusto kong maligo. Thank you sila, mami. Ayan. As you see, famous ang Kati sa kanilang turquoise water. Sobrang linaw. Asan na sila, mami? Sila makita. Gusto ko maligo eh. Anong tao? Ayan, so naligo na ako. Grabe ang itim ko. Bibita ko. Wala sila, mami. Andun nakaupo pa din sila dun. Oh my gosh. So ayun, naligo na ako. Hindi ko na na-video kasi ako lang. Ayun sila, mama. Kumain sila ng ice cream daw. Sayang hindi ko na na-video yung aking pag-swimming. Wala kasing magbabantay ng bag. Anyway, it's fun. Okay, so pabalik na kami sa bus, yung shuttle na pabalik ng Gare Cassis. And then balik na kami ng Marseille, and then Marseille to Nice. So ayun. Dadaan lang daw kami ng Super U. Bibili sila ng water. Dito bumili si mama ng sombrero kanina. So ayun yung binila namin na U-Express. And then just go straight there. Doon na yung papunta ng port. And then this is the bus stop. Ayan.
Hello, you Spanish?
No, Philippine. English.
Yo soy español, vengo de Murcia.
No habla español.
Yo vengo de Murcia. On est bien à Cassis, hein? Hola.
So yan yung bus. 371 yung sa Gare de Cassis. Yun yung sasakay natin. Pabalik ng Gare. Ito, hindi ito yun. Ang ating sasakyan. Here at the Gare de Cassis. We're back. Sakay tayo ng train. Pabalik ng Marseille. Kita niyo pa ba ako? Dito tayo, nandito tayo. Dito tayo. Ayan, pabalik na kami ng Marseille St. Charles. Hindi ba pala? So, ayan, nasa train na kami. And hindi ko in-expect na maganda pala sa Cassie, guys. So, don't hesitate to add that to your itinerary if you visited South of France, because it's really worth it. Ang ganda ng beach nila, although hindi ko na nakuna ng video kasi walang magbabantay ng bag. And yun, sila mami kasi kumain na lang sila ng ice cream. Hindi na sila nag-swimming, ako lang. Ayun, so yung trip ko dito sa Marseille and sa Cassie is hindi ko in-expect na magugustuhan ko. Sobrang ganda. I love the Mediterranean vibe. Everything is so good. Everything is so colorful. Ayan. We're heading to Dagar in Marseille. And then from the Marseille, we're going back to Nice. So bukas di ko pa alam kung saan. Ayun, so we arrived here now in Marseille St. Charles. So I'm ending my Cassie vlog here for my day 2. So thank you guys for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye!